Hi, I'm Ray. Today we've got 3 lavender plants from garden centres or supermarkets. So today I'm going to compare the 3 lavender plants, the prices and what the plants are like. So first of all, we've got a plant from Lidl's and these are selling at $3.49. We've got the middle plant from Morrisons. These are selling at £6. And then the next plant on the end, and these are from Dobbies Garden Centre, and these are £9.99. They're all the same variety, so we're going to take a look at each one of these and compare which one is the best. So this is the little one, Lavender Stokus Anouk, and it's got a little house and sun. Doesn't really say a lot. We've got the little passport details below, but it doesn't really state much. The Morrisons one says outdoor perennial, flourish and joy, lavender structure, stunning flowers, height 40 to 60 centimetres, £6. And it says hardy, flowering time March to October. Care instructions: your lavender should flower all summer if you plant it in a sunny spot and water it regular throughout the summer. Feed with a general garden plant fertilizer in the growing season. Position full sun or porch shade. Height 40 to 60 centimetres. Aftercare: in autumn, please cut back all the growth by 2/3, cutting back to further than the last few leaves on each stem. Do not cut back the bare stem. So that gives a good information. And we look at the Dobbies one, and this one just says sunny, 40 to 60 centimetres, April, September, February to March, prune, feed March, September, not for consumption. So that's the labels on all 3 of the lavender plants. So this is our 3 lavender plants, and this is Lavender Stokus. We've got the Dobbies, £9.99, the one from Morrisons at £6, and the Lidl one at £3.49. So just looking at a plant, we can instantly see the Lidl one is slightly shorter and more bushier. Middle one is slightly more bushier, and the £9.99 one, well, we've got a couple of dead branches here and a couple of broken over, but we've got more growth on top. There's more flowers than there is on this one and than there is on this one. So Dobbies is £9.99, Morrisons £6, and Lidl's £3.49. We have a look at the Dobbies one, and we can see we've got some broken branches. There's some dead branches in the middle. We've got quite a few stems. The Morrisons, we've got quite a few stems coming up. That's looking quite good. And then we look at the little one, and this is a white bushy one. It's quite bushy and it looks really good. So we have a look at the roots. We can see this one, it's looking a bit dry on top. This one's heavier, more roots in this one. Still quite dry. And then we'll have a look at the Lidl one. And we can see there's a lot more roots in this one, and they're a bit more pot bound in that one. So, looking at the roots and the plants, which one smells better? The Lidl one does smell a bit better. And the Dobbies one smells, can't smell much on the Morrisons one. So the Lidl one is bushy, round, healthy roots, and looks vigorous and well grown. The Morrisons at £6. The mid-range one is a decent shape, but not as full or well rooted. And then Dobbies at £9.99 is quite sparse, bare branches, and shows a bit signs of stress. So I think this is poor value for the price. So you would have thought the £9.99's Dobbies plant would have been the best, but looking at the Lidl one, it's actually the most healthiest. So that's most interesting, and I'm going to put these up in the garden. So let me know in the comments, have you grown any lavender? Where have you got your lavender from? And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and ring that bell, and click on this next video of our latest video collection. Cheers!